Alrighty. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. How are we doing this morning? Alright, so we are gonna just push up here. Arm is freaking mooning. Let's go. That's beautiful. We got an arm yesterday. Arm is freaking out of here. Freaking out of here. Let's go. And that's why it's so important to pay attention to the watch list. HD, same thing. Looking like we're out of here and into the gap fill already. Actually, probably just gonna scalp HD. Looks like CoreWeave almost did the same thing as well. Pretty much go to the gap fill, complete it. All right, HD, what do you want to do? Let's tango. All right, so CoreWeave kind of having this pullback, we could potentially even take out the call side now. So be on the watch for that with CoreWeave. HD, we're just trending higher. We're about to go to $80 here. Um, did I get filled on those? Let me see. All right, HD is going to 380. Pretty much we're about to get that full gap fill completion. Arm is literally just out of here. What I don't like is the spread, but I'm gonna try to take a trim here on arm. See if we can get out like 7. From 273% on arm. Uh, 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 uh. Watching HD here. All right. Nasdaq right now we are pretty much pushing higher. What's going on? Why is my charts looking like this? Come on. All right, so pretty much 9:30 we blasted off. Kind of having some slight type of pullback right now. Let's see what we could take. SPX calls. Watching SPX calls. I still want to see a pullback overall before we actually look to get in, but market is kind of bullish today, so just keep that on watch. Also watching Gavigo's runner stop losses. Pretty much we pushed back lower. However, Gavigo's not really gaining much intrinsic value, which is the main reason why I'm about to close these. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Honestly, coin doesn't look too bad here. We've been at the bottom of this range and just been range bound for quite some time on coin. We're pretty much back at the bottom of this range again. LMT, damn. All right, so we're getting another leg up. Meta, are we recovering? Meta with the gap fill off the 618. I kind of like this. It's a gamble. Just the fact is that Meta has been non-stop bearish. Like the market could literally skyrocket to the moon, and Meta is still just pushing lower and lower and lower. So I just don't get, but hey. Let's go take a look at some Meta calls here. Meta 110 calls. So let's see what Nasdaq is doing. Meta 110 calls. I like them. What is going on? Send the order. Hello. Okay. I'm trying to get filled on Meta calls. This thing is glitching. Trying to get filled on these 610 calls. Bro, can the damn thing just load? What is focusing? Come on. There's just no way. I can't get filled on meta right now. I don't know. My internet connections. This makes no sense. Meta's just gonna keep fucking mooning and I can't get filled. Oh, what do you mean network problem? Give me 1 second, please. Alrighty, people. We are back. Alright, so we got into meta calls. Well, we're in the money already. Nickerson was giving me so many freaking problems right now to the point where I had to enter these manually, which is freaking insane. Literally insane that I have to go to Charles Schwab and I can't use Thinkorswim because I don't know what the hell is going on with my connection. It's like blocking it for some reason. I had to literally get off of Wi-Fi, uh, type in charlesschwab.com to enter meta calls, which just makes no sense. But hey, we're in the money. Meta calls are in the money. Ugh. Nonetheless, meta calls are in the money. Let's go. Go ahead and take profit on something. 3.2, cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Another day, another dollar. Everybody's paid. Apparently the stream's a little choppy. I might know why. I might know why. But hey, Meta's going into this gap fill like we just talked about. 610s. We're in the money. Now it's time to just print. So yeah. Good day, good day, good day. HD. Let's see what HD wants to do. If you want to keep pushing higher or stall out. Pretty much everything on the watch list is working out. Everything from ARM to HD to even CoreWeave here. Let's go. So it was a good day. Good money making day. Meta's doing some heavy lifting right now. Avigo still tanking lower. Meta pretty much I want to see Meta push into 615. We're going to 615 on Meta. 615, 615, 615. Meta to 615. I'll post this in the market commentary room. But yeah, Meta's going to 615, so just hold. You can take a next trim on Meta, probably like 612 if you want. Which at this rate probably is going to happen within the next like hour. All right, Meta. I think we're up like 50%, 40%. We're close to there. Even Cat really doesn't look too bad. Salesforce just fell off a cliff. Still really like Coin. It's just not enough for me to jump in there yet. Like Meta gave the strength that we needed to see. Coin isn't doing that. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on with my connection. Something's really wrong with my connection. Really wrong with my connection. Meta 612. You could trim here if you want. Personally, I kind of want to hold, but Meta calls are up. It's actually crazy because I tried to get filled on Meta, but Thinkorswim was acting retarded. Try to get filled even sooner. I really should have gotten filled at like 4.5. It is what it is. All right, Meta, let's keep pumping. Let's keep pumping Meta. Let's keep pumping Meta. Let's keep pumping Meta. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get ready to trim Meta here. Almost up 50%. I want that 50%, so I'll try to get out at 7.7. I got a limit fill at 7.7 on meta. Literally need the slightest push up. Come on, meta. Not asking for much. Slight little push. Slight push. Small push. HD as well. Let's go HD. Same thing as last week. If HD can break 380, this shit moons. Literally, it's gonna rocket. Yeah, pretty much everything on the watch list hit. Everything. You guys gotta pay attention to the watch list. I posted them for free as well on Twitter. Sometimes I'm gonna be able to call them out, sometimes I'm not, because I gotta move at the speed of light to also live stream, execute the trades for you guys, take my own trades, make sure that I get paid, make sure y'all get paid. So yeah, if you see the watch list, take the damn setup. Mark out your levels. I give you the level that you should be entering from. I give you both sides, call trigger and put trigger. All you gotta do is execute. All you gotta do. That's it. But HD calls are printing. Same with meta. Did I get filled? Did I get filled meta? Yeah, we got filled. Cool. Alright. Gotta trim off on meta at 7.7. 51% gain. Let's go. HD, we'll see how high we want to go. Meta is just fucking mooning. Like I said, next PT for meta 615. I'll do a nice little trade recap for you guys. Post that on YouTube. Alright. Got my screenshots. Cool. Alright, we'll do a trade recap later today for Meta, HD, ARM. Normally, or I was kind of against posting money, but that's what people want to see. Nobody cares for percentage gains. I was kind of against showing the money because it does kind of set up, make a lot of people think that they can do that overnight, Not to say you can't do it overnight, but you're only gonna do it overnight with the right guidance. Um, but yeah, that's kind of what sells. That's what brings people in. People are attracted to the money. Nobody cares about being at 53%. Nobody cares about that. So we will do a trade recap. Meta is continuously pushing higher. HD as well. If HD can pretty much get the clean break above 379.82. 379.82. If we can get a full break above that, even if it's just a close on an hourly, we should continuously push higher. Nasdaq is continuously just trending higher and higher, which is beautiful to see. Damn, we could have got some very, very cheap NDX calls looking at this price action. Oh well. Every other position's working out. Nonetheless, it's fine. Stream is off again with buffering. What is going on with the stream? It might not be a thinkorswim problem. It might just be my connection. Doesn't make sense because everything is wired. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the connection. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. Everything last week was working flawlessly. And I did see last night that if you have Verizon, chances are your phone was also off last night for about an hour, which is just lovely. All right, Meta. Meta's still pumping. Meta's still pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give us the gap fill. That would be crazy if we push all the way up to 620 and complete the gap fill. That would be actually insane. But it's definitely possible right now. Let me check. Is the stream still buffering? I'm not sure. What's your target for NNE? Boss man, NNE is not short term. It doesn't show that the stream would be buffering on my end. On my end, it says the stream is flawless. I don't know. I don't know. But NNE is long term. Like, set it and forget it. When we send the first nuke, or whoever sends the first nuke with all the shit that we're doing right now, and by we I mean America. But yeah, as AI continues to get bigger, as we continuously grow stronger in nuclear tensions, yeah, just hold AI. If the world goes to shit and we bomb each other, hey, we're gonna be very rich off of NNE stock, but the rest of the world might be gone. But hey, we will be very, very rich. Very, very rich. All you gotta do is hold on to it. Hold on to uranium, hold on to NNE. Don't even touch it. Who cares that you're up? Who cares? I literally gave my brother the exact bottom and he's up 50% on the common stocks right now, which is crazy. Alright, apparently the stream is better. Cool. That's all I needed to know. Cooking for my sick partner in trading. Sorry to hear that, brother. Hopefully your sick partner gets better. TV Mayor, apparently the stream is better. I preach that. I preach that a lot, but I'm at this point in my career where I'm sick and tired of preaching. It's either you listen or you don't. But yeah, you leave runners. You always gotta leave runners, no matter what. And I get it. If you can only buy 5 contracts, buy 5 contracts, trim 4, leave 1, put your stop loss at break even, and that's it. Same thing we did yesterday with SPX. Hey, you buy 5 contracts, you leave 1, cool. If you get stopped out, you're perfectly fine. You're still green no matter what. If you don't get stopped out, well, you have experiences like ARM today where you're up almost 300%. How I see it is like, hey, you have a free hand of blackjack or something. Just think of it like that. You got a free hand of blackjack. So that's why you want to hold. You don't want to be so eager to just jump out of a trade. But we should continuously push higher here.